Kani gade ka Pati CCTV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasngi.
Kadarbar kebala pelong karpang haki ars ngilenter jong ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kebala kod no henne kasngi ka arp sautrik mentau benai risau arja karpra kala menjor berpetrikam no ya ka inner line as adopted from Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 Regulation Bill 2018 nalor kiwe kimat ki bakal thokro ya ka Khasi Social Custom of Lineage First Amendment Bill 2018 nangta ya ka KHAD Constitution of Subordinate Council of Traditional Chiefs and Headman Rules 2018 but ya ka United Khasi Jaintia Hills District Establishment of Town Committee Second Amendment Bill 2018 hadin baka yung dorbar jong ka KHADC kala menjori kini ki bill nakalyang UCM ka KHADC uba HSLA ulaong baka basa menta kalong baka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council kan sasyong sa kajingalang jong ka Executive Committee banyakran sani halor kini ki an bala menjor hakani ka dorbar shua ban pha yaki syakatnat District Council Affairs jong ka sarkar jila kaban sapha pat syaulat ka jila ban yo ya kajing menjor halor kini ki an.
Mr. Chairman, sir, I'd like to move that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Lineage First Amendment Bill 2018 be now passed.
Motion moved is that the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Lineage First Amendment Bill 2018 be now passed. The hearing continued. So the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Khasi Social Custom of Lineage First Amendment Bill 2018 has now been passed by the Council.
Agak sebentar kejengkeran jong Chief Minister kedai nomor kamdan hapok ka 6 schedule kita ngim argu ya kata dan kani ka additional power ka bang iyo da ka regulation 1952 te bun ki bami iya kani te bat kani kam hapok Garo Hills kamdan kedan tang hapok ka United Khasi and Jaintia Hills kamut tang kani ka Khasi Jaintia Hills ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council bat ka Jaintia Hills Garo Hills kani kamdan kedai ka bau kuren Chief Minister re hakabidi bat ka KHADC kumut ka mri tamba ka don kani ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation 1873 mri tamba ka don re security ki laws ki don dan sipon tali ki laws ki ba governor ka 1952 ula thaw the regulation but president jongkari India Rajendra Prasad ula asai nika kejing ong jong Chief Minister bahabli biang syar sokar India kamarai su makamlak menlai asin ke bill syau ju syau president kamdan menta su ladap sign ka longka bill bat ka bakam tikina nang ta kalong ba kum ka Indian Christian Marriage Act ka bakam rim ya ka ILP kamrim ya ka Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation ketika Indian Christian Marriage Act 1872 ya katuru ngi adap kum ju hi kum ba adap ya kanika Bengal Eastern Frontier Regulation buat katrikam nangta ndai tangata la challenge ru kumba Chief Minister PE la challenge ya kanika application of laws regulation 1952 da ka kong berhin kurkalang sebagai nong shed patakia nomor lakem ya ka Excise Act jongka 1910 kepada kawai naki central laws ki bala include apa schedule da ka regulation 1952 kaong ba kanika ain kedai ka ba gubernur uther ka schedule jongka the United Khasi and Jaintia Hills da ka regulation 1952 di kini baro kila kutno namar ba gubernur ke jingtre jong kala kut kilawan ki MDC ti kumta kini ru kala kut tendai ka Supreme Court kala pensyai kedar ba wala ki long ki kadika regulation kawala ha do governor re la sign ka do president kine president jogri India kine tangla da repeal ya ka daka ani ti omshum don kum kata ka man repeal ya kanu kono nakini ki laws ki bla tho ka regulation 1952 ti hakani ka benta kamut long nakaliang Chief Minister padan ba brief yu ba kadan kum kata ka jing ya pair bring Garo Hills Autonomous District Council but Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council.